Alright, what's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. We're about to go ride a few trails and see if we can find this waterfall. We got a few inches of rain the other day, so we're hoping it's flowing. So we're just going to take you all along and see how it goes. Alright, well, we just got here and the water is super high already, so I assume these are going to be rolling today. Alright, here's where the two big ones come together from way up here. They all come together down there. Look at these icicles. Alright, well, that's the spot, everybody, and hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more outdoor stuff, make sure you subscribe, and thanks for watching.